Welcome to the Wired Wings YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to take you from blank screen to a working LED blinking project inside Tinkercad. Before we build anything, we need to open Tinkercad and master the basic tools. Here is how to set up your very first project simulator. First, open up your browser, type in tinkercad.com and enter. Now, click Login at the top right. And after the login, select Personal Account and simply sign in. With your Google account, it is 100% free. Welcome to the Tinkercad dashboard. Look for a blue Create button and click on it. After that, you will see the three options. Now you have to select circuits only. Right now, only click on the circuits. Now this opens up a brand new empty electronic workshop. On the left side, right above the workshop canvas, you will find your editing tools like copy, paste. Moving over, you will see the code option. This is where we will write our block coding. And right next to that code, Start Simulation button is there. So once your project is built, hit this button to test your circuit, catch any mistake and fix them on the spot. On the right panel, you have access to every component you will ever need, from basic register to the advanced microcontrollers. Now that our workspace is ready, I am going to show you how to pull out an Arduino and build an LED blinking project from scratch in the next video. Thank you.